Welcome to our guide on how to fix Cash App sponsor limit. If you're an avid Cash App user, you might have encountered limitations when sponsoring funds due to specific restrictions on your account. Whether you're a new user or have been using Cash App for a while, boosting your sponsorship capacity can be essential for seamless transactions and maximizing app benefits. In this guide, we'll explore proven methods to help you lift these restrictions and optimize your Cash App experience. Step 1. Understand Cash App sponsorship limits. Before you can fix sponsorship limit, it's crucial to understand what these limits are and why they exist. Cash App imposes restrictions to protect users from fraud and ensure compliance with financial regulations. If you've hit the limit, it might be due to account verification status, transactional patterns, or app usage. Knowing the cause can help you target a suitable solution to overcome these limitations effectively. Step 2. Verify your account. One of the most direct ways to fix your Cash App sponsor limit is by verifying your account. Unverified accounts typically have lower spending and receiving limit. To verify, open Cash App and navigate to your profile. Follow the prompts to input your full legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Verification usually takes a few days, but once complete, you'll benefit from increased sending and receiving capability. Step 3. Link a bank account or a debit card. Linking a verified bank account or debit card can help enhance your sponsorship capacities within Cash App. To do this, go to the Banking tab within the app. Select Link Bank or Link Card and enter the required detail. Not only does this step increase your funding limit, but it also allows for instant transfers and improved app functionality. Ensure your bank account and debit card details are accurate to avoid any processing issues. Step 4. Monitor and adjust your transaction pattern. If you frequently hit limit, analyze your transaction habits can provide insight. Cash App may impose limits based on unusual or inconsistent activity. To resolve this, keep your transactions regular and within reasonable amounts. Make use of Cash App directly rather than third-party sites, and refrain from attempting excessive high-value transfers consecutively. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you followed the above steps, yet continue facing sponsorship limitations, reaching out to Cash App support might be your best option. Access support within the app by tapping on your profile icon, scrolling down to support, and detailing your issue. A representative can provide personalized advice and, if necessary, manually adjust your account settings to increase your limit. Be ready to provide verification or additional information to expedite the process. Unlocking the full potential of your Cash App account by addressing sponsor limits is an achievable goal with the right steps. By verifying your account, linking verified financial details, maintaining responsible transaction habits, and utilizing Cash App support, you can enjoy increased flexibility in your budgeting and transaction. Understanding how to Cash App sponsor limits not only improves your user experience, but also provides peace of mind in managing your financial activities efficiently and securely. As always, exercise caution in all financial transactions to safeguard your funds and personal data. Happy spending.